Okay, stay with us for now and get better. Flying away and then he fell. All right. You gonna get some cold drink? I got some cold drink in here. I found this cool bird on the ground. Probably he's tired or something. Okay, get some drink. Drink, buddy. You gotta drink. Cool down. It's too hot today. All right. You gotta cool down. Okay. There you go. Yeah, cool down. Get some drink. Alright, buddy. And later on you fly away. For some food. Oh, go ahead, put your food. Good. Get some over here. That's good enough. Food. So he's still there. Okay, buddy. I guess here's some food. Seed. Okay. Alright. There you go. Eat and then cool down. Yeah. Put your toe a little bit on the water. There you go. Cool down, dude, okay? And eat some. Alright, the bird that we are trying to save because it's too hot, he's still there. Let's focus on him. Oh, there you go. He's starting to move. Okay, eat some, birdie, before you leave, right? Yeah, go let him cool down over there. It's too hot today. 90 degrees. So give him some food too, and then he can drink over there or swim in there.